Hello class 1. Welcome back in second session of EVS chapter 5 religious festivals. Today we will learn about other religious festivals. So let's start. Children, I want to ask you one question. Which is your favorite festival? Yes? Yes, I know. Diwali. Diwali is your favorite festival. Because in Diwali we have lots of fun and lots of sweets to eat. Diwali is festival of lights, isn't it? Diwali comes from the word Deepavali, which means a row of lights. According to Hindu mythology, this festival is celebrated to mark the return of King Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Exile means vanvas. वनवास मीन्स अपने घर से दूर कहीं वन में रहना यानी कि फॉरेस्ट में रहना। भगवान राम को 14 इयर्स तक अपने घर से दूर फॉरेस्ट में रहना पड़ा था। दिवाली इज सेलिब्रेटेड 20 days आफ्टर दशहरा। दशहरा के 20 दिन बाद दिवाली आती है। इट इज़ द Hindu festival of lights. We also make rangoli in our house. Children, आप अपने घर में रंगोली बनाते हैं? रंगोली हम कलर्स से और फूलों से बना सकते हैं। साथ में हम उसे दियों से और मोमबत्ती से डेकोरेट भी कर सकते हैं। We clean our homes and decorate them with candles and diyas. We distribute sweets and gifts to our family and friends. We enjoy lighting sparklers and crackers. आप दिवाली पे खूब सारे क्रैकर्स जलाते हैं? But be safe. Prayers are offered to Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. Children, in which festival do we play with colors and water? Yes, Holi. Very good. Holi is one of the most popular Hindu festivals. Holi is known as the फेस्टिवल ऑफ कलर्स। फेस्टिवल ऑफ कलर्स क्यों कहा जाता है होली को? बिकॉज हम कलर्स के साथ होली खेलते हैं, है ना? इट इज़ सेलिब्रेटेड एवरी ईयर इन द मंथ ऑफ मार्च। वी थ्रो कलर्ड पाउडर एंड वाटर ऑन वन अनदर। वी मेक different sweets and dishes on Holi. It is celebrated with great joy, feeling of love and closeness among people. गणपति बप्पा मोरया। अब बताओ नेक्स्ट रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल कौन सा है? यस, गणेश चतुर्थी। स्मार्ट चिल्ड्रन। Ganesh Chaturthi is the celebration of Lord Ganesha's birthday. Lord Ganesha's birthday falls during August or September. Ganesha is believed to be the Lord of wisdom and intelligence. Lord Ganesha अपनी इंटेलिजेंस से सारी प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व कर देते हैं। दिस फेस्टिवल इज celebrated in the states of Maharashtra, Goa, Telangana, Gujarat, and Chhattisgarh. This festival is celebrated for 10 days. We make modak and laddu for Lord Ganesha and for us also, isn't it? Do you like modak? Yes. Now, exercise time. Children, let's do some exercise to check what we have understood. Write any two religious festivals' name. Yes, Diwali and Holi. Next, in which festival we make Rangoli? Yes, in Diwali. Next, which festival is known as the Festival of Colors? Yes, Holi. Now, children, this is your home assignment. Look at the calendar given on the page number 37 in your textbook and find the dates on which these festivals will be celebrated this year. Hope you enjoyed this session. We will meet in next session. Thank you.